Hello guys. Now in this video I'm going to show you how you can turn off always on display on your Android smartphone. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. So you'll know that you have always on display turned on if you press the power button, and then it just wakes itself up for 10 seconds before it goes back to sleep. So if you don't want this wake up image that appears after you have pressed the power button, then let me show you how you can turn this off. To do this, just go ahead and look for settings on your Android smartphone, and from settings scroll down until you see wallpaper and tap on it. From wallpaper, go ahead and choose the first option, always on display. As you can see, always on display is on, and this is the image that was appearing or that appears whenever I tap on the power button. So I want to turn this off, and to do this, just toggle this always on display on to off. Now if I go ahead and press the power button, you can see it will remain on sleep mode until I go ahead and press it again, and that will go to the lock screen or home screen if I swipe. So that's how you can turn off always on display on your Android smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.